Mark's facility can't afford downtime. With a malfunctioning electrical panel threatening production, he needs a new panel, and he needs it now. That's when Mark calls Fromm. With over a century of expertise, we're ready with the right Eaton Pow-R-Xpress panel parts in stock. The Fromm Connect Services team springs into action, custom building Mark's panel to exact specifications with in-stock parts, ensuring a perfect fit for his facility's needs. From commercial switchgear to residential panels, OEM controls to industrial solutions, we deliver quality that businesses trust. For Mark, it's more than just a panel. It's peace of mind. Let Fromm and Eaton power your success. Contact our team today or visit our online catalog to discover the Fromm difference.